see this lovely green moss. It has grown up to this big thing, which is slightly small, and it's taken a century. Well, maybe a century or a half century. Now, today we will be looking at different kinds of moss. We will be looking at the curlicues moss and this lovely type palm tree moss. It is very squishy, like this. See? Okay, let's move on. We'll be having a walk. Oh, look over there. No, farther, 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 right here. This is called, well, in my family, we call it Shrek ears. Because if you look very close when they're older, they can grow Shrek ears. They look like Shrek's ears. Oh, now what's this? A Shrek ear mixed with curlicues and mixed with the tree palm stuff. Oh, mountains of Shrek ears. See, this is what it will look like when it's a Shrek ear. Okay, let's take a walk. Through here. Come on. Over here. Oh, look at this rock moss. It's basically brown. Well, that's all we have today. Okay, I'll meet up with you next time, Chetty. Bye-bye.
That's all for today, folks. Next, we will be showing you different kinds of moss, but that's all we have for today. Bye.
Hey.
See you next time.